Today we'll be showing you how to assemble your industrial steel hose reel. These items should be in your hose reels box. The long spool collar and undo the plastic nut. Push it through the spool, making sure the threaded side points away from the spool. Put the plastic nut back on and tighten it. Next, take the smaller spool collar and do exactly the same on the other side. Take a spool handle connector and undo the threaded cap on each end, and slide them onto the handle as shown here. Now slide the handle into the spool handle connector, the threaded cap back onto the spool handle connector and tighten. Do the same for the other side. Take the pins from the accessory bag and thread them through the center of your wheel. Take your trolley wheels and connect them to the leg. Using the supplied wing nuts, secure the wheel onto the reel's leg. Now align the guides and the spool connectors and attach the spool on top of the leg, as shown here. Take the screws from the accessory bag, using a screwdriver or drill and drill bit. Do up the screws that will connect the spool and leg together. Clip the leg protectors into place. Take your handle and insert it into the spool collar. Connect your gooseneck to the gooseneck connector. It's advised to use a sealant like we do here. Connect your gooseneck to the gooseneck connector. Using your pliers, tighten it. Now connect your gooseneck to the inside of your spool. Tighten with your pliers. Finally, connect the hose lock onto the external threaded collar and tighten with your pliers. Your reel should now spin freely, ready for the hose to be attached. It's advised to dip the end of your hose into hot water as it makes it more malleable. Slide the Jubilee clip over your hose before you attach it to the gooseneck. Once it's pushed over and your Jubilee clip tightened, now wheel your hose onto the reel, starting at one end and then working down and then working back on yourself until you run out of hose. So that's how you assemble your industrial steel hose reel. You can purchase yours today at www.windowcleaningwarehouse.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Spool.